Coming to you from That Canadian Lawn Guy channel, bringing you bagging leaves with the Toro Titan ZX 4800 with EZ-VAC belt assist bagger. Hey everyone, Craig with That Canadian Lawn Guy channel. You obviously know because you're here. You're here yet again. Glad to have you watching along with me. So, just thought I'd show another leaf cleanup video. This was recorded on November 12th and one of our last warm days. We kind of finished the day with the most beautiful rainbow I've seen in a while. And I don't have a great picture, so I didn't include it in the video, but you just have to trust me that there was. Temperatures are really going to drop next week, and it's too bad. Snow is somewhat possible. We'll see when it comes. I'm not going to get myself concerned like other years when I was early in business. I used to stress about the weather all the time. I need to be in the Zen mind this winter and know that weather can't affect my stress level. So anyways, let's talk about what the video is going on here. So we're using the Toro Titan ZX 4800 with the bagging system on it, the EZ-VAC belt assisted, and it was pricey in Canada to buy that. It was about $200 Canadian. I'm sure Americans got it much cheaper than that, but that's what we have to deal with here. And I think there's a lot of more expensive things, but we do have pluses being in Canada, so I think it all equals out. So this is one of the last cleanups for this property. I just kind of drop by sometimes and I pick up 4 or 5 bags when I have a chance, so that it's not so hard at the end if we get rain and we get weather and it's blowing all around, and then I don't drop any swear words when I'm doing the cleanup because it's not that bad. And as you can see, in the perfect conditions, the bagging system works really well. I'm getting better and better at noticing if it gets clogged very quickly and making adjustments on the fly instead of trying to pick up for like 5 minutes and then realize that it was clogged and nothing was going into the bags. You didn't really see it in this scenario because I'm just getting better every year. It's kind of like that 1,000-hour rule that you, once you put 1,000 hours on something, you're a pro. And I'm not 1,000 hours at fall cleanups yet, but maybe we're getting closer to 1,000 hours of grass cutting. I don't think so though, but anyways, that's a different story, different day. So yeah, this one cleaned up very nice. I mentioned in a previous video that I asked the customer about trimming along the fence line, and there's a dead tree at the front, and maybe trim back some of the limbs that are like coming really close to the ground on these big trees. And she replied tonight and said to go ahead and spring and do that kind of stuff. She would rather wait. And yeah, so we'll schedule that in. And I like to take on as many services as I can for the customers so that it's the most profitable, and you have really loyal customers if you're able to do everything for them. So yeah, so kick back, relax, watch me doing this leaf cleanup, and at the end of the video I've included another little cleanup another cleanup I did today out in Bridge, North Ontario, and it was a lot of leaves. So I brought those leaves to the Selwyn dump, and the Selwyn dump had a leaf mountain where I dumped all the leaves. So that was kind of fun to see right at the end of my day, and then I headed home for the weekend. And then stick around for the outro, where I just say goodbye to you and any channel news, and yeah. And then the spectacular end to every That Canadian Long Guy channel video is when you hear an audio clip at the very end that I'd like to change up every week. Anyways, enjoy.
all that area. I haven't been doing farther out just so because I know you wouldn't be able to see me very well. So anyways, that's good for now. Got my logos on there, and as you can see, the EZ-VAC, it has a belt assist, and the belt needs to be replaced. I ordered it. It's got a little rip, you can see right there. It's had that for a while, so that's a $50 belt. And yeah, so just throw my bags on there. And this mower is basically going to be for spring and fall cleanups now. So it has 783 hours on it. All 4 tires have been replaced since original. Yeah, it's been a good mower. It's a little dirty. Anyways, thanks for watching. I will do an outro for you, and hope you enjoyed that, and we'll talk to you guys soon. There we go. All cleaned up. About 2.5 bags. The front yard's all cleaned. So this is what I was saying, how I'll transport these out to the curb. I know a lot of people get rid of the leaves, but it's communicated in my quote that I'll put it to the curb. And if they would like them taken away, then I will take them away. All right, there you go.
Good evening, everyone. So yeah, that's the outro right now, and hope you enjoyed that one. If you are loving the content, just leave a comment down below. I'd appreciate the feedback, and if there's anything you'd like to see, just drop a comment and I can work on that for you. Soon enough, we will have snow videos as well. I have snow videos from last year, so you can look in the videos and find those. And yeah, I appreciate all the support. I like doing this, and if you aren't a subscriber yet, then I would definitely recommend doing that, because I heard if you don't subscribe to my channel, then you know what? Then you might lose your American citizenship, and you might have to become Canadian. So I don't know if you're willing to do that. So anyways, stick around for 5 more seconds. Take care.
That came from another Canadian guy. Have you seen any?